Welcome to Fearsome Facts about mosquitoes, the world's deadliest insect. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals on Earth, responsible for over 700,000 deaths each year. These tiny creatures spread diseases like malaria, dengue, and the Zika virus with just one bite. Mosquitoes are found everywhere except Antarctica. With over 3,500 species, about 200 are particularly fond of human blood, but only female mosquitoes bite. They use a needle-like mouthpart called a proboscis to pierce the skin and locate a blood vessel. As they feed, they inject saliva to keep the blood flowing, drinking up to 3 times their body weight. Female mosquitoes are prolific breeders, laying up to 300 eggs at a time in standing water, such as ponds or puddles. These eggs can hatch within 24 to 48 hours, transforming into larvae. These little worms live in the water for about a week before swimming to the surface, change into pupas and becoming adults at last. In just a few weeks, a single mosquito can create a big swarm. Remarkably, mosquitoes can sense you from 50 meters away. They detect the carbon dioxide you exhale and the heat from your body, homing in on you with precision. Once they find you, it takes them just 90 seconds to locate a blood vessel and drink their fill, often leaving behind an itchy bump and potentially a disease. The challenge of controlling mosquitoes is growing as they are becoming resistant to insecticides, particularly in tropical areas. Their lifespan ranges from 2 weeks to 6 months, and they've been around for over 100 million years. Not all mosquitoes bite humans. Some prefer animals like birds and cattle. However, those that do, such as the Aedes aegypti, are responsible for spreading most of the dangerous diseases. So next time you hear that familiar buzz, remember, mosquitoes are more than just annoying pests. Protect yourself by using repellents and avoiding standing water. Stay informed, stay safe, and help spread awareness by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more chilling facts.